This is my May 2011 bike check. I have Fly Montana bars. I know Barnes, they look cool, so I just picked them up. Profile push stem. Odyssey Aaron Ross tires 2.35. Alienation Deviant front rim. G Sport Plague. Premium fork. Odyssey Twisted PCs. Premium cranks. Staffel Ola chain wheel. Shadow Conspiracy. Havent chain. Odyssey 7KA rear rim and laced to a stolen roulette front hub. It shows stolen roulette front hub and rear, front and rear stolen roulette hubs, and a Shadow Conspiracy wedge post, a duo seat, and Colt DR grips, and my frame specialized Fuse 1. That's it.